Hey Diva Dolls, this is Crystal Chanel and I am back with another video. Now this time y'all, I am bringing to you everything that I do to be more organized, to get myself in a good mood, to let go and let God. So listen, I partnered with Poshmark to bring you this video. I am cleaning out my closet. And if you want to see what it is that I've decided to sell, stay tuned. Okay, dolls, so listen, like when it comes to my room, I'm like redoing my room, and maybe I'll do a vlog on that. I don't know. I definitely have so much. Like, I don't even want to show you my closet. Just know that it took me a lot to get it where it is right now, and I'm not quite there all the way, but just know that I had a whole bunch of clothes that I definitely don't wear. So I always say, if you've had it in your closet for more than a year and you have not worn it, girl, let it go. What are you holding on for? That's like symbolic to some other things in your life you probably need to let go too. So I'm going through a cleanse, not just of my personal stuff, but also just my physical stuff. They say in the Bible, what is it? Cleanliness is next to godliness, right? Like, I'm not super religious at all, but I totally do believe in having a clean and clear space. Can I just tell you real quick how one time I literally threw away my bed? I know it makes no sense, but I literally threw away my bed because I felt like I wanted something new and I wanted something fresh and something modern, because I had that bed for a long time, and that was just like symbolic for me, like starting over anew. So I think if you dolls are going through something right now and you need a fresh start, there's no better way than doing a closet cleanse. Even if you don't sell everything on the app, you can always donate it too. I always feel really good that I do like monthly or so donations. I used to do it to one place, but now I do it to the women's shelter because I just get a better sense of a feeling from that. So that's it, y'all. Stay tuned or comment down below if you want me to do a video on my room or even on my closet. I'll do that for you. But this dress is also for sale, so I'll put that in the closet too. I do a lot of video hauls, and even though I wear everything that I get, sometimes I'll only wear it once, okay? So I'm sharing with you guys a couple of looks from before. I actually owned a plus size boutique. Stay tuned, I might be bringing that back, but if you guys have been following me on my Instagram, you already know I had a boutique, and these are all basically like new. But I'm definitely going to share with you dolls these items because I loved wearing them, and when I picked them, they were really important to me at the time because I think it helps you express who you are. So if you've been watching my videos, you know I'm all about feeling yourself and being confident. So all these pieces will help you feel that way because they are body conscious. Just get you a cute little shaper. You can make all of these outfits rock. So as you can see, I'm like really into, again, the whole bodycon look. I love the whole long sleeve look. And when I dress, it's for me. It's about how I feel. It's how I look in the mirror. So long story short is, if you guys like any of this stuff, be sure to check out my closet, which is at Chrissy the Doll. If you don't already have this app, what are you waiting for? Be sure that you use the link down below. It is a free download. Use Chrissy the Doll for the code. You'll even get some coins off. It comes again to making a little bit of extra money. This is just something that's real easy. Anyone can do it. You can find me, Chrissy the Doll. I have so many different items on here already. I'm also always adding new items all the time. So be sure to check it out. I'm adding more shoes as we speak. Okay, dolls, so again, I really enjoy doing these kind of videos. I'm all about building your bank account, building your confidence, and listen, honey, this is one of the easiest ways you can make money, like without having to do anything. Just go through your closet. If you have a closet already, leave me your name down below. Who knows, I might shop your looks. Your girl is frugal, okay? I be trying to save me a little coin too. Like, truth be told, I get my workout gear from Poshmark, okay? So also, if you don't follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat, be sure that you do, and my name is at Chrissy the Doll. Now, one thing I always love for you dolls is making these kind of videos, so give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Be sure to share this video if you have a friend that may be interested, and of course, what am I gonna say? I'm gonna say subscribe. Subscribe to this channel, y'all, if you have not already, as well to my fitness channel and my vlog channel. Okay, dolls, so again, that is it. I love doing these type of videos for you. I know I get a lot of questions all the time about my hair and my contacts, so be sure to check the description box for that info too. I hope you guys get the clarity and the confidence that you need. I hope you build up a little bit of your bank account, and I definitely hope you guys can move forward now that you have a clean space to kind of get more things that, you know, you can slay in. That's really it, dolls. I want to thank you so much again for tuning in with your girl, and as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.